Hello, and welcome to our explanatory video, Pedagogical Prompting and AI-Supported Teaching Design, as part of the Erasmus Plus co-funded project, Deep Tech for Creative Trust. In this video, you will learn how to write AI prompts that actually work for teaching, how to spot and correct AI errors before they reach your students, and how to stay in the role of the professional, not the passive user. Think of a prompt as a design brief, not a question. The more specific and educationally grounded your instructions, the more useful the AI output, and the less time you spend fixing it afterward. Here is a practical framework. Before you write any prompt for educational content, ask yourself 5 things. Who is the learner? What is the competence goal? What format do I need? What tone is appropriate? What should the AI definitely not do? Work those answers directly into the prompt. In practice, this means instead of writing, "make a lesson on copyright," you write, "design a 45-minute lesson on Creative Commons licensing for 20-year-old media students in their second year. Use case-based examples. Avoid legal jargon. Include a short group activity." The difference in output quality is dramatic. A critical skill to develop alongside prompting is spotting AI hallucination when the model generates content that sounds completely plausible but is factually wrong. Made-up citations, incorrect laws, inaccurate dates. Always verify specific claims and references before using AI output with students. Treat every AI draft like a first submission from an enthusiastic intern, full of energy, in need of editing. The ethical principle is clear. Educators are the authors of the learning experience. AI is a tool in their service, not the other way around. Here is a concrete workshop structure you can run with your colleagues or students. Give participants a real teaching challenge. Design a 45-minute session on a specific topic for a specific group. They must use AI, but every decision must be deliberate and every output evaluated critically. Run it in 3 rounds. Round 1, write your first prompt and document the raw output. Round 2, identify 2 things that are wrong, generic, or missing, then refine the prompt and run it again. Round 3, evaluate the new output against your learning objectives. Write down what you would change before using it with students. Introduce the prompt journal as a tool, a running log of what participants asked, what came back, and what they decided. Over time, this becomes a personal reference for effective prompting in their discipline. It is especially useful to share across a teaching team. The debrief question that consistently sparks the best discussion. What did you almost accept without checking? And what would have happened if you had? That moment of near miss is where the deepest professional learning occurs. Close the session with a class contract. What AI tasks are appropriate to delegate in this teaching context, and what decisions will always require human professional judgment? Putting it in writing changes how people behave. The headline takeaway: the quality of your AI output is almost entirely determined by the quality of your prompt. Prompting is a teachable, learnable professional skill, and it is now part of what it means to be a competent educator. Practical tip for this week: pick one upcoming lesson and try designing it with AI assistance. Run 3 prompt iterations, document each one, and reflect on what you had to add, correct, or completely rewrite. That reflection is the learning. The best AI-supported teaching does not look like automation. It looks like an experienced professional using a very fast research assistant, and then making every final call themselves. Thank you for your attention.